Welcome to week 6, our finale! Your final challenge is to tackle your bonus garage, your study, if you haven't already, and any additional final spaces you think can help you score the big win.
Okay. All right.
Nothing, not one room in this house disappoints you. Everywhere you look.
I love how you said that. We have a closet, which gives us a bedroom.
There we go. And then the other side of this section of wall is where we had the pantry that we closed off.
In week 1, we walled up the pantry to create more room for the kitchen cabinets. And now we've got that empty space we can tap into. So now that we have this pantry space here, we can use that as the full bath.
There's our payoff.
So now we actually have an ensuite.
Boom.
So then let's add a desk and stage this as an office, and it'll count as a bedroom because of the closet. And we can add a door here, turning what was the pantry into an ensuite bathroom. Oh, I love this.
This is the cherry on top. This is the last space in the house to complete.
I know. So I feel there's some pressure on us for this space.
So what are you picturing here?
I think we need to try and warm this space up as much as we can so it feels professional still. So let's add wood floors, an oversized workstation here. We do some type of storage and maybe some wallpaper.
That's actually a really cool idea. Here's the thing. This is the last space in the house the judges are gonna look.
I know.
Okay, we're almost wound down. But you know what? We need a place to pay the bills.
We do, and I guess this is it.
You know I love to study.
I do too, but I tell you, this is very small. I already know we can make magic happen in this space.
It's a study, but we add a Murphy bed and it'll become a bedroom. We're gonna shift our closet back 3 feet so we can add a full bathroom so it's a fully functioning bedroom.
This is the coolest space. What do you think we should do here?
Well, because of all this indoor-outdoor activity, let me show you over here. So here's the big picture. Adventure garage. In my mind, this is Colorado lifestyle, whether it's mountain biking, skiing, snowboarding. You bring your snowboard, your skis, your bike in, and you work on them. So I feel like there's some cabinetry over here, like tools up on the wall, storage below, workbench. This is where we bring in a bar, kegerator. Then we put some sort of island.
Cool.
And then this perimeter is all stuff for snowboards, skis. Like, I would love to see this whole wall filled with gear.
Oh, this looks fabulous. Do you love the color?
I do like the color.
Good. Good beige for
What
you?
I can see of it, yeah.
So I have an idea. We have a 6-foot shower right here, but imagine this. Half shower, and what would you like to do after a hard workout?
I want to hit the sauna.
Half sauna, I knew you would know. I knew you would know. What do you think about that?
I think it's amazing.
And it will give us a little bit more bump, a little bit of wow in here, a little bit more value.
I mean, come from the gym into the sauna, shower, you're done.
And you're done.
I love it.
And you never have to leave this whole wing.
All right, let's have a look. Only 2 more little pieces to go.
So we had a custom cabinet package arrive. The room was taller, the room was smaller, and we had to modify our cabinets on site by essentially rooting through leftover material that we had.
Yeah, and reconfiguring the entire layout for it.
And it worked.
It's a sense of relief. This is the final space. We are here to win. We put our heart and soul on the line. This was the last piece of our puzzle, so it has all come together. We can sign our names to this, that we've completed this the way we had envisioned.
Do you need a hand?
No.
I can't believe it made it in time.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
This
damn,
is-
like heavy or damn,
This is
it's light?
heavier than I thought.
It's all solid oak.
Why not green velvet wallpaper? It's my favorite color. I love a jewel tone, and it's another tactile experience. It's continuing the narrative that we have throughout the rest of the house. And I know it's indulgent, I know it's taste specific, but this is my space to do whatever I want to do.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Almost there.
Okay, Michelle.
Mitch, it's coming together.
Almost ready. Let's put these away.
Oh my God, minutes away.
We're almost there.
Oh, this is the final home stretch.
Oh, candles.
We're down to the wire, but
Looking good?
we're looking pretty good.
Yeah, table's clean.
Perfect.
30 minutes out, now I'm like, ah!
It looks good. All right.
Look at this.
Jasmine, Egypt, my guys, welcome to the
Thank
vlog.
you.
Yes.
I love it.
Having you guys literally champions here today is so huge because it's been 6 long weeks for these teams.
We remember what it feels like.
You know, I can't wait to see what all of these HGTV stars did with their homes.
Yes.
Your first home is the home of John and Christina.
Okay.
So you guys check out all 4. I'll meet you back here to deliberate.
All right, sounds like a plan.
Hey.
Welcome to Colorado.
Oh.
I like the raw wood that they didn't stain it or paint it. I actually appreciate that.
I love that they mixed that fieldstone in there and the color specifically. It pulls from the mountain terrain. Gorgeous house,
yes.
well thought out.
That view.
Stunning.
Oh my
Holy
goodness,
cow.
look at the kitchen.
Look at the kitchen.
Wow.
I love those beams.
Oh.
It wakes the space up.
Yes, it does.
I love the rounded corners on this island.
Okay,
What's that?
I'm about to have a moment.
What's that?
You are not gonna believe this, like, holy cow.
What is it?
Oh my God.
Oh, this is nice.
The floors. Look at these gorgeous floors.
I love this.
So this is like the kitchen behind the kitchen?
This is a prep kitchen. You have all of this additional prep space.
Wouldn't you just use your kitchen?
You think this is a waste?
Kind of. I like the idea of a pantry, but this could be an office. That to me would be added value.
Different strokes, different folks.
Love the fireplace. It looks great.
It's a moment. I love it.
It's the drama the room needs, really. All right,
Nice.
this is where the party's at.
Yeah, it is. All right.
Ah, we
This
got a
is it.
barcade.
You know, this is where Mike will be for the rest of the tour.
Right.
Oh, this is it. This is it.
If they needed this as a bedroom,
You could close it off still.
you could.
Oh, you got a homework station. John and Christina rock the block. Cute. They're trying to get into our heads. Look at this, guys.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, wow.
Babe, you know
Yes,
the
it
craftsmanship that goes into
Yes.
this.
I love the color,
this.
the powder blue brought down from upstairs.
With the green.
Feels really fun.
I love this idea.
This is a gear garage, the bonus space.
So this is a bar shop. Workshop bar, because you got the,
Oh, they got their kegerator. They've got
Yeah.
another sink.
And they left 3 glasses of beer. Do we think this is a bribe?
well, if it is,
We are not taking bribes, but we will drink.
we will
I love
yes.
it.
Cheers to John and Christina.
Cheers. This house feels like Colorado.
Cedar siding.
Uh-huh.
Fieldstone, which is beautiful. Look at this color.
Yeah.
It's a nice touch.
What? Look at this stone.
So the stone continues from the front all the way through the house to the back.
Oh
That's
my
a good
goodness.
place.
It's calm and
Yes.
peaceful.
Yeah, well, it feels like a warm hug.
It does.
The fireplace is not over here. It's in the middle of the window instead of a door.
I'm conflicted by that, though, because it's stunning, but it blocks the mountain view.
That key part of your view, it
Yeah.
does block it.
Yeah.
But,
Oh, here's even more.
And they brought it over.
Okay.
and you get 2 islands. Look at this, you get 2. You get an island, you get an island.
This one's waterfalls, which is gorgeous.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out why this kitchen felt larger, and I think it's because they turned it around.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, wait, the arch.
Ah,
Oh, wow.
that's nice.
It makes that dining room feel grand.
Yeah. Ah, this feels good.
It's comfy
Yes.
and warm.
Okay, so as kitchens go, that's not a full kitchen, but it's definitely enough of a space that you could use it as a bar, a smoothie bar, whatever you want to use it as.
Multi-purpose.
Yeah.
What's behind here? Whoa, this is a full spa. Gym.
Wow.
This is blowing my mind right now.
They have
Wow.
a sauna.
Have a sauna?
What? This is unreal.
Just keeps
What
going
is this? Oh my
and
gosh.
going
Oh
and
my
going.
gosh, wow. This is nice.
So it's a home workspace. It's an office.
Uh-huh.
This is gorgeous. These built-ins could work for many different things. If you wanted to put a bed here, it looks like it's the right width. So this could be an in-law suite, this could be another bedroom.
They've got on the exterior here stacked stone. Stacked stone is really smart for the elements.
And that's recycled cedar.
But up top there, they use cement, which gives that modern feel.
The modern, they hit hard on the exterior.
And that's what they were going for. They were very definitive that ours is mountain modern.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Lux.
Oh.
Lux,
Look at
yeah.
that fireplace.
But the kitchen.
Ooh, tiered island.
Porcelain countertops.
I'm just wondering how functional a lot of this really is.
Do those open? And if they do, how do you get to them?
I don't know, hoist me up so I can see. All in all, though, it is stunning. It looks like it's straight out of a magazine.
How are we feeling about arched doors?
Oh, wow.
Obviously, you think they're sexy. You're rubbing on them. You're massaging the
You're
doors.
like a model.
What's in here, though?
Oh, nice.
Oh, washer dryer. This is a proper mudroom / laundry room.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, this light fixture.
There's another set of doors here. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. It's luxury. It's what they do.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
They brought the wood up to the ceiling.
I love the black color.
Yeah, it sews together well. I want to see the space they won. That was the main
Oh
suite.
yeah, let's go see that.
Wow.
Interesting. Look at this wine wall.
Another fireplace. Is this a full kitchen?
Another full kitchen. Oh, this is cool.
This is the maker space.
Oh.
It's a create space. You know, a lot of people have home businesses now, so it's nice to have this additional space.
This could be whatever it needs to be for whatever you're trying to do.
Right.
Right? I mean, everybody has something going on.
I agree.
A side hustle.
Stunning.
I personally love the garage doors.
I like the color on the house. Dark. It's really pretty. It's what you expect here in Colorado, mixing it with the stone. Ah, look at this.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
I'm ready to move in.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yes.
Waterfall edges.
Cabinets galore on your
Oh
side.
my gosh.
They did say it was a toast to Alpine chic, and I'm feeling that here.
I am too.
Yeah.
This is a gorgeous kitchen.
I am swooning over what they did here entering the dining room.
The flanking wine.
This is so much fun.
Oh, wow.
Nice, nice.
Oh, they've got the loft bed for the kids.
Oh, it's a little slide.
Very cute.
That's so fun. Anything with a slide, I'm in.
Got your gaming area.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
we got a gym. It's a really smart thing to do with this space.
A lot of people are looking for that right
Yes. Let's go see what's behind this door.
Oh, wait.
now. Oh, I was not expecting that. A full bathroom.
It's a sauna.
Oh, it's a sauna too.
Your hard work, creativity, and sleepless nights over the last 6 weeks have given life to these 4 gorgeous homes.
The winning team appraised at $2.85 million.
Wow.
Yes.
I mean, that is a Rock the Block record.
The winner of Rock the Block is Michelle and Anthony!